What are we doing, Tanya? What are we doing?
Shopping for dogs.
Shopping for Puppy Bear's new collar. So much choice. It is a hard choice. Wayne's never been into that shop before. Wayne! Wayne! What do you think is shopping, huh? What do you think is shopping? I do love watching the fish. Well, eventually we did manage to find a nice new lead-in collar for Gwaine. Some nice, something nice and soft, because he is a pampered little dog. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We have a very exciting video coming on Friday, probably Friday. So don't miss that. It's going to be very fun. So this was the 10th Vlogtober. I can't believe I've got this far. I'm really enjoying it, and I hope everybody is that's watching. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you tomorrow. Bye.